Now we're going to make the real gin version of a bee's knees. So this is the Boodles gin. I think it will give me the best comparison with the non-alcoholic gin. We're gonna need 1 ounce of honey syrup. Okay, ice. So we're putting the ice in. And I do have another video which is just focused on bee's knees with gin. So if you want to really see all the steps and learn the recipe, I would recommend finding that video. This video I'm just doing the non-alcoholic version versus the alcoholic version to see. Okay, see, yeah, there's less foam than there was with that one. Still a bit of foam from the lemon juice, probably from the honey syrup too, but much less than there was in the other drink. And that's actually still kind of foamy. And honestly, the foam is good. But so this is the one with Ritual. This is the new one with Boodles. And again, these are not the glasses I would normally use. I would normally use a coupe glass. But these are very pretty, and so I decided to give them a try. So I'm gonna try the, I've had it before, but I'm gonna have the regular gin one. It's just really good. It's really good, especially with this. I will say I'm getting a lot of the juniper, and I made this last night and I didn't get as much of the juniper, so it's kind of interesting, and I'm not sure why that is. But you do get a lot of more honey flavor with this. So more of the juniper, more of the honey. Yeah, it's still really good. I personally love gin again, so the flavor just really good. I think this is smoother. Yeah. Oh God, but it's really good too. The lemon just comes through so strongly. It's really quite pleasant. So yeah, overall though, oh God, if I had to pick a winner, it's hard. It's like choosing children. I'm more used to this version, but I honestly really like that the lemon is coming out so much in this one. So actually, I think I declare the Ritual the winner of this video. So leave comments, tell me if you've tried Ritual, what you think, or if you've had a bee's knees or whatever you want to tell me, you can tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. I'm going to get ready for some more drinks, but it's been a pleasure to do this, and see you next time.